Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Timon, time and money to have the best experiences out of your life. So in today's video, we are going to cover the topics related to capital appreciation plus generating regular income. This is a part of video that is in the series of investing and saving, that is building up your financial journey and having great experiences out of your life. So ensure to check out the other video that I had done regarding savings, how you can decide and what are the factors you should consider and options available to you to invest. So we have to differentiate between investing and saving. So in this financial journey, the next option that I want to cover over here is investing, which will help you to generate regular or periodic income, maybe a little, along with capital appreciation. So this will help you to give a cushion along with generating a good amount of income, which will help you to sustain your lifestyle and help you to meet some of the expenditure. So before choosing on this, ensure to check out the first video regarding investing and saving, which I have detailed out, and how you can decide how you want to allocate your investing and saving options. So just to recap, you need to think about your risk profile and amount of volatility that you're okay to expect, your life goals, your short-term expenditure needs, etc. So with that, first option available to you in this category is real estate investing. So first and foremost, you will buy a land or land with building or a fixture or a structure available, which you will rent it out to people who are in need of this. It could be in range of residential purpose or commercial purpose, a place for people to live and lead their life, or a place to carry on their day-to-day business or special business needs. And in this form of investing, the land usually appreciates and the building fixture structure that is available usually depreciates, but this is the one that will usually help you to generate income in form of rent, and the capital appreciation that happens on this investment is usually on the land. But usually in real estate investing, there is a huge barrier to entry, that is for middle class or lower middle class. The investment that they are trying to make might in many a times be a far off thing, and it might be difficult to fetch. The down payment itself required will run in lakhs, if not crores, if it's a really huge property. So many of us might not have that amount of money available to invest readily. So with that, the other option that is available to you, where you can get the benefit of real estate investment along with capital appreciation and rental incomes, is REIT. So this is a new concept that is coming up, especially in India. New as in it's in past 5 to 8 years it is getting picked up, but internationally these are already existing investment options. So REIT is nothing but real estate investment trust, wherein you have the option to invest in commercial properties, or rather the group of properties which other company owns, manages everything, and there is no headache to you, but you put in the money wherein they use that to invest or build new projects which will help them to generate recurring income plus give capital appreciation. So in India, at least 90% of net income has to be redistributed back to the investors. So this will be an advantageous situation to you. So in real estate investment, another option that is there, but you need to be very careful. You can transact this only with a trustful person, is combining the resources, that is you along with maybe your friend or family whom you have complete belief with, and think that you can generate. You can club together your resources, that is pooling of resource, and then invest in real estate, which will help you to generate income, which can sustain and give you all this benefit that we have listed earlier. And next option available for you to invest in this set of strategies is dividend investing. So this might sound a little unfamiliar for few of you, and few of you might have already heard about this. So basically, when companies run, they generate profit, and this profit is distributed back to the investors in form of dividend. So usually many established businesses are already generating so much amount of revenue and profit that they do not have any other options available to invest. And what some companies do is usually give back this profit in form of dividend, and this dividend can range from 0% in few companies to up to 10-20% in few companies, which is usually extraordinary. But before I continue on this point, you have to make sure that usually dividend investing does not equal to capital appreciation. In many cases, and history has shown previously, that dividend investing usually does not lead to generating huge amount of wealth. Surely there might be small amount of capital appreciation, but generally there is no huge amount of capital appreciation that happens because they are giving out dividends, and it is assumed that in most cases these businesses have reached saturation stage and do not have much room to grow. And so you can start building up the portfolio in such a way that you start investing in these stocks, or companies rather, which are known to give out regular dividends. You should at least see 5 to 10 years of history wherein they have given out good amount of dividend. In India, examples can be Indian Oil Corporation and few government run organizations and few banks which have given out huge amount of dividend, which can help you to generate a good amount of regular income, and then in the long run as well build some amount of wealth, if not a lot. And a disclaimer is that in all this, please do your own due diligence. Market has huge volatility and can wipe out or generate huge amount of wealth. You will have to ensure that you are aware of these risks, and if you are okay taking these risks and investing in these options. And so the third set of option available for you to invest, which will help you to generate a periodic income plus help in capital appreciation, is mutual funds. Again, as I say mutual fund, most of you might have already heard this saying running behind in your head, wherein they say very quickly, mutual fund is subject to market risk, please read all the documents carefully. So surely mutual fund has lot of risk associated with. So mutual fund has a potential to generate good amount of wealth as well as generate income in some cases. So in mutual fund there are three main options which will be helpful in this segment. First and foremost is monthly income plan. So in this monthly income plan, you will invest in such set of mutual funds where usually the exposure to debt fund is around 70 to 75%, and for equity it is around 25 to 30%. So this will help you to generate regular income, wherein the investment on debt funds or debt instruments is helping you generate income, which will be given out to you in form of monthly income plan, and the rest 25 to 30% that has been invested in equities can be helped to build your wealth. And next option available in this mutual fund category is IDCW, that is income distribution come capital withdrawal. That is, in case there are any equities that they have invested or debt fund that they have invested, the return that they make either in form of dividend or interest is redistributed back in form of income distribution. And also if you have opted for capital withdrawal, then in periodic basis as per your choosing, they redistribute some of your capital that was invested and which might have grown back to you. So this is income distribution come capital withdrawal. And third set of option in mutual fund is SWP, that is systematic withdrawal plan, wherein the money that you had invested is again given back to you, that is the interest plus principal or the investment plus the growth that has happened. The investments are sold and given back to you in periodic basis as per your choosing. That can be monthly, weekly or quarterly or yearly. So in these three options of mutual fund, one thing to be very careful is that this is not exactly a place wherein the company or someone else is giving you money. The investment that you had made and the wealth that you had built for the long run is helping you to generate these kind of monthly income plus capital appreciation. So just to give an example, I will take a random number. Let's say you had invested for very long and this investment has grown to 1 crore rupees. So in this example, 1 crore worth of net worth that you have built through investing in mutual fund, let's say it is generating annual growth of, let's say, 12%, a random example. So this is 12 lakh, but let's say you have opted to take out only 3 to 4 lakhs. So in this case, let's say 1 crore became 1.12 crore in next year, that is 1 crore 12 lakh, but you opted to take out, let's say, 4 lakh rupees, just a random example. So this 4 lakh that you have taken out, the balance of 8 lakhs is again reinvested, that is 1 crore 8 lakh is again reinvested, and this again grows at, let's say, whatever percent it grows in next year. So with that, in all these cases, usually these investment strategies are for long-term basis, until and unless you have a readily available good sum of money, and in other cases you have to plan it out and stretch it out and break it down to multiple years so that you can safeguard yourself and ensure to enjoy your life throughout the way. It should not be like you're a penny pincher and do not enjoy your life now and just expect to enjoy it later. You have to keep it a balance. That is what life is. So life is balancing out, be it in form of learning from past experiences, securing your future, enjoying your present, and living your moment and developing yourself as a person and enjoying your true life. That is the purpose of life. And then you yourself have to set your goal, what is success, what is happiness, etc., to your own liking and your own goals, and you will have to strive and try to strive at least for those goals and make your life a happier place. So ensure to check out the Telegram channel Timon, where people are coming together to build these society. So with that, ensure to like, subscribe, comment down below, and share this to as many people as you can and help build this community and be part of this community. And I'll see you soon.